Hi guys, in today's video I got this little special box from Apple. I guess you guys know what it is from the title. So I'm upgrading my phone, so I'm going to do unboxing on it. So here we go. So this box is come from Apple. I got the serial number right here on this side. And there's a little tab right here that you can open it. Apple make it easy to unbox everything. You don't have to use a knife or anything. So, ta-da! I'm upgrading myself to an iPhone 13, a red product. So it's just a cardboard box with nothing inside except for the phone, and that's all. So we got the serial number. So I'll be cover the serial number. You guys can see the phone, the box, and here's the tab. You can pull it out to unbox it. Say on here iPhone 13. Okay. There's another tab at the bottom, right here. You can pull it. See the tab right here. Pull it out. Now, wow, looks nice, yeah. Very shiny red. You guys can see the screen size 6.1 inches. So this is square. There's a power button right here, and there's the switch for the ringer and your volume up and down. So I'm gonna put the phone aside, see what else in the box. So in the box we got the charging cable. This is USB-C to Lightning. And we got the manual, say product red. We got the Apple sticker, the manual, and the SIM tray ejector. So let's take a look at the phone. We got dual cameras, very red in the back. This is glass, and this is aluminum, I think. Let's open it. Yeah, charging port back here. A SIM tray right here. Yeah, so in the front we got the speaker right here, and we got the front camera right here with all the sensor up here, and the screen will flat, all square and flat. All the edge feels smooth. There's no rough edge or anything. Feel really nice. I love it. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.